Once I loved and it was a gas. Soon turned out had a glass. Seemed like the real thing only to find much mistrust, love's gone behind.
Just over an hour from Melbourne, the Mornington Peninsula feels like it's in its own world. Coastlines, farm stand and cellar doors at every turn. And then there's the Jackalope. It's not your typical wine country stay. Bold, architectural, and full of personality. This is a hotel that doesn't follow the rules. It rewrites them.
In between, what a finest pleasing and I'm feeling fine. Love is so confusing, there's no.
The Peninsula's always had a bit of a split personality, but in the best way. On one side you'll find wild beaches, rugged coastline, and open sky. On the other farmlands, country markets, and endless vineyards of Chardonnay and Pinot Noir. It's a mix of the laid-back and the refined. Jackalope doesn't feel like anything else on the Mornington Peninsula. It's bold, architectural, and surrounded by rolling vineyards. The hotel is designed for contrast with Glossy. Black surfaces set against green hills and silver sky. There's an energy here that's both luxurious and a little bit rebellious.
Taking cruising, yeah. Love is so confusing, there's no peace of mind. If I fear I'm losing you.
The architecture features sleek, sharp-edged black buildings. They are deliberately dramatic and more Blade Runner than farmhouse chic. Out front, the Jackalope itself a 7-metre high sculpture, half hare, half antelope. It's surreal, mythic, a bit absurd and completely unforgettable. Elsewhere, the infinity pool cuts like obsidian through the vineyard. It is black-tiled and mirror-still reflective of the sky as much as the mood. On one side of the pool are sculptural lounges and low conversation, while on the other are rows of Pinot Noir vines rolling toward the horizon.
Seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own.
The Jackalope is designed to be little provocative and effortlessly cool. Throughout are dark corridors, gold accents, dramatic lighting. Every detail is deliberate with sculptural chairs, oversized fixtures, provocative works of art.
The crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. 1 minute I held the key. Next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle.
The rooms are quiet, moody, and incredibly comfortable. Everyone has a deep soak bath and views through floor-to-ceiling windows. It's a place that makes you want to slow down and stay in.
Be my mirror, my sword and shield. My missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain. Once you'd gone, there was never.
Flaggerdoot is the name of the bar with striking interiors, surreal lighting, and neon accents that shift in color as the night deepens. It feels part cocktail lab with a back bar that could pass for a science installation. The whole design nods to alchemy, blending liquid, light, and theater in a way that's clever and immersive.
It was a wicked and wild wind. Blew down the doors to let me in. Shattered windows and the sound of drums.
Doot 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 is Jackalope's signature dining experience. It's as playful as it sounds. The ceiling alone is a show, 10,000 golden bulbs hanging in waves above you. The menu is inventive but not showy, built around what's fresh and what's local. It's fine dining, but relaxed. The energy is generous, not stiff.
The ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield. My missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain. I know.
Just down the road, Point Leo Estate offering wine and dine experiences and more.
But that was when I ruled the world.
The sculpture park is extraordinary, over 60 large-scale works by leading international and Australian artists set across a coastal landscape. The pieces aren't decorative, they challenge you, draw you in, and make the grounds feel alive with creative energy. Point Leo Estate offering, which offers a full wine tasting experience with views that sweep across vines and sea. Dining here feels elevated but unfussy, sharp service, local produce, and dishes that are as considered as the art outside. Alba Thermal Springs is nearby as well, and set among native bushland. The design uses curved stone, soft tones, and open skies to create a sense of quiet immersion in the landscape. The hot spring is built around naturally heated geothermal waters that rise from deep beneath the Mornington Peninsula. There are over 30 pools, including warm open-air lagoons, cold plunge pools, salt baths, herbal-infused soaks, and secluded private sanctuaries tucked into the hillside. And when you're ready for something to eat, Time offers fresh regional produce with just enough ceremony to make lunch feel like part of the ritual. The Mornington Peninsula moves at a relaxed, thoughtful pace, perfect for slowing down and soaking it all in. Some of Australia's finest wineries here craft experiences deeply connected to the land, set against a backdrop of rugged coastline and tranquil bushland. The Jackalope provides a striking retreat, where design and comfort come together as a base for exploring it all. Jackalope didn't just open a hotel, it redefined what luxury looks like on the Mornington Peninsula. Bold, cinematic, slightly surreal.